Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. In this particular video, I want to talk about ticker symbol ATER. You can see that stock was up 46% today, and at one point it was even higher. It came down, but it's still 46% end of the day. So very exciting. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about mostly how we made money on this particular one, the support, resistance, short interest, option chain activity, and few other interesting facts that might make you more interested to play on this particular one. So anyway, if we look at all US exchange volume leaders, number 2 is ticker symbol ATER with 144 million volume today. So sitting at number 2, lots of volume came, and this is sitting at number 2. So this is a play. You can see that once the market opened, suddenly it moved a lot, almost 68.45%. It came down, ended the day with 46%, but if you look from the opening till the very high, 68%. And the market was really great today. One of the trade we did, GGPI, was like almost 7-8%, Jumia 20%, PLX 40%. So lots of movement happened, and we made a lot of money today. You can have a look all the tickers we have this morning. Most of them popped, and you can see the big numbers of gain from our suggested entry and the high of day. Nice green. So anyway, if you want this kind of entry with different tickers and the price target, please join my Patreon community. The link will be in the first comment and also in the description box, so that you can join and you can trade with us, get all the alert in the morning, and we make some money together. So anyway, let's talk about ticker symbol ATER. So the price was really nice. All the volume started coming in the morning. When it was moving, the volume started following, and the volume came. It has some prior resistance at 3.64. It hit it, came down, and again it was pushing, maintaining a nice uptrend. At one point it broke the uptrend, even though it was maintaining 3.64, and finally it gave up and came down, but it's still 46% up. If you look at the volume today, 144 million volume, whereas the average volume is only 10 million. Okay, a lot of volume came today, 14 times. But the very interesting thing is the short interest as per Fintel is 31.76%, and the off-exchange short interest is 63%. Very high. Also, there is no shares available to short. You can also check this, the same thing. No shares available to short with a high short interest, and also cost to borrow fee rate is 8.9%. Looking at the option chain activity, you can see the implied volatility is 252%. Very exciting. And all the option people, they made a lot of money, 262%, 850%, 1300%. So some insane number. So anyway, still for the coming week, you can see the option activity for 3, 3.5, 4, lots of options are waiting. And if we look at 14th of April, you can see still for 3 and 5 is strike call option. So anyway, let's go back to the chart now. So it has been cooling down. And if I adjust the line here, you can see that in the morning when it went up, hit 3.6, came down, it was holding the support right at 3.3. Now it came down again, but it is still holding 3.3. The important thing we have to see, can it hold 3.3, or 3.3 will be broken, it might come down. But as long as it is holding 3.3 and going back up, I think it will retest 3.6 and also high of the day today, 3.9. If you look at a 1 hour chart, or maybe I'll just go back to a daily chart just to give you a flavor of ATER and it can does, right? So look at the chart. This thing was like at one point at around $3, then it went all the way to $19, 6 times, again came down to $9, went back to $16, $17, and since then the market correction and so many things happened. This thing came down a lot. Look at the volume today. So this kind of volume came when the stock was going back to $15, $16, and the volume came back again. If the volume is continuing for tomorrow, hopefully it can give another push, but if we don't see a volume, maybe it will come down. Okay, so this is the daily chart. Now I'm going back to a 1 hour chart, and I'm going to turn on all the layers here. And sorry for the mess, because we had been trading, so I had to draw many different lines for this one. So I was expecting some movement beyond 4, but you can see that last few times it went to 3.964 area, it got rejected. So there was a double top. Today the same thing, it went to 3.95, $4 area and came back. If it can break $4 area, then I see it has some more room to run all the way to 4.7, then we have 5.7, and also it can go even 6 plus, right? So we will see, as long volume is coming, it will move, but the important thing is it has to break $4 area. So in terms of entry, if you want to play this, how you can play? First of all, you have to look for 3.3 entry. If it can hold 3.3, this is good. If not, there might be another entry you could be thinking about, right around 2.7. And why 2.7? You can see it was a support, then it became resistance, 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 resistance. So when something goes up, the resistance might become support. So if 3.3 is broken, it might come back to 2.7. And keep that in mind, it is very, very stretched today. No guarantee that it will run tomorrow again. So anyway, I just wanted to show you the chart and wanted to give you an update. If you want to play with call option, you can also play with a call option. You can just pick a strike price and an expiry date. You just play. Let's say you want to pick an expiry date of this Friday, and you want to buy a call option, let's say for 2.5 or 5 strike. Just get in, get out, because the implied volatility is so high. Even though ATER moves sideways, you will lose a lot of money, because if you buy the 3 strike and your premium is 0.52, it means then by 8th of April you are expecting this thing will go to 3.52, and now we are struggling because this thing is coming down. So anyway, this is how option works. You can get 1300% gain in one day, or also you can lose a lot. So option is always volatile, and we know that. Few other things we did today, because Jumia was another one, because they had a partnership news today. So we were waiting for a breakout of 10.4. It broke out beautifully and it went up all the way. Nice gain. The other one was PLX. Same thing, you can see that pre-market was up, come down, and again after the market open moved a lot. So anyway, this video is mainly for ticker symbol ATER, because we wanted to give you an update. And if you like this kind of video, please let me know, and also in the comment section let me know if you made money on this. And finally, if you like this kind of thing, like in the morning at 9 o'clock, 9:30, basically I come up with different tickers with entry, exit, profit target with some note, and you can see that end of the day we made a lot of money. So it cost only $9 per month. Give a try, join my community, get access to my Discord, and let's make some money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace. Done.